Hey everyone, welcome to Creating with Cassie. I am so excited because I have a box and it's from Me Time Delivered and I cannot wait to show you what I have in this box. It is so incredible and I am overjoyed and so excited to show you this new product that they have at the Me Time store. So if you haven't checked it out yet, you can all go to metimedelivered.com, log into their store and see all of their great stuff that they have on there for sale. And this is just making my day and I can't wait to show it to you. Are you ready? I am. Okay, I already cut it open and I peeked inside and then I went, oh, I have to do a video. So I know, it's kind of an unboxing, but this is, here, I'll put that down. This is what I just got in the mail, you guys. Look at this. It is Me Time Delivered's perfectly pieced binder. And why would you want this? I will show you why. It is going to help us organize all of our amazing instructions and other stuff. So I'm going to pull this open, release it from its plastic. Look at this. It matches. So we have our box and our binder and they match together. And then this is beautiful quilt blocks. If you look, you can see that this has the free block pattern right here. Right there for us to love and enjoy on this binder. And then, well, that was the back. This is the front. It says perfectly pieced by Me Time. Same pattern, same block. And then when you open it, it's a really nice binder and it has the clips on the one side instead of in the middle. So we know that it's going to help us organize so much better. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to take that binder and all of my fun instructions, I have them all starting with the first block that started us all out, all the way down to the newest one, which is the flag block. And I'm gonna put them all in there together. And then what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go and print off the cover page that they have for every single block, hole punch it, stick them all together. I don't have that done yet, but I'm gonna stick that in there. And then I'm also going to put in, I have the Perfectly Pieced General Resource Guide that I printed off. You can get this from Me Time Delivered as well. And this just has a bunch of extra tips and tricks and information that you need to know when you're putting your project together. So I'm gonna put this in my binder as well. And I'm gonna feel so nice and organized. I am so glad that Me Time Delivered put this in the store. So if you haven't checked it out yet, metimedelivered.com, click on the new link that says new on the side when you can figure out what you want to look at there and take a look at this binder. It was so much fun to see that, and I hope that you go and make something beautiful. We'll see you next time. Bye.